Hello.
Cracker? Cracker?
What are these guys?
Cockatoos. They just landed here.
Hamilton Island locals.
Say hi, everybody.
Hey!
Busy.
Yeah.
Same competition. Oh, wow, look at it.
Skull found. In fact, there's been a number of skulls found, and the measurements of the largest skull ever found indicate that that animal would have been over 7.5 metres. So if you consider that Mac is 4 metres, a 7.5 metre is almost double the length of this animal that you're looking at in front of you. It's an absolute monster. And they're so big because they're what we call indeterminate growers, which means they can continue to grow throughout their entire lifetime.
Here we are in the Irwin Championships of Mini Golf Hamilton Island. It's the third round of the Mini PGA tournament. Cole's doing well.
I'm doing terrible.
We're on the third hole. Going backwards and forwards here.
Because it's up road.
Uphill, is it? Alright, here we are, Sloane Irwin, hole number 10, double sand traps here. See the technique? Oh, she's bumped over the sand traps. We're looking pretty good.
Chainsaw.
Technique left and right.
Chainsaw.
She's lucky.
Stop.
Oh, her brother is almost in the way. Smoothing it out. Dusting away.
I got a good foot. I got a good foot.
Oh,
Hey.
how many was that, Sloaney?
3.
It was 4. Cole Irwin on hole 18. Finish off the solid putt here. Balls, oh, looking good. It's close. Sloane's willing it away. You can move it away from the edge there. Just a club's length. We really have played to the rules today. The rock has been pretty good, but it's rebounded to... Oh! He's got it! He's got it! It's a 3 to finish off the day.
I bacon, 2 waffles, and some maple syrup.
Whoa! Yum.
I could make maple bacon. We're on a catamaran in the sea! And I'm the captain.
Captain Cole. So, how was Hamilton Island?
Amazing. Awesome.
What were your favourite parts?
My favourite part was snorkeling and paddleboarding today.
Yeah, right. And what about you, Cole?
Catamaraning, snorkeling, seeing turtles, going on a boat.
How many turtles did you see?
24.
Is it? Okay.
About
well,
5.
5 turtles. How close did you get?
Oh, that's
So close.
Mate, so close. And what types were there?
Loggerheads or flat green sea turtles.
Yeah.
Loggerhead, flat
That's a
back.
good one.
We didn't see any flatbacks, just the greens and the loggerheads, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
So, would you want to come back?
Definitely.
Right.
And-
How many catamarans out of how many catamarans do you give Hamilton Island then?
10 out of 10. A quadrillion, 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 and
Alright.
quadrillion.
I think you liked it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
We love Hamilton Island. Give us
Yes,
a double
we
thumbs
do.
up.
Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up in the comments below.